Some of those who lost family members were there as Kenneth Feinberg announced the terms of the GM compensation program for those killed or injured as a result of defective ignition switches. There is no cap on payments. Those who already settled legal claims against GM will be eligible for additional compensation. But if a claimant receives money from the fund, they waive their right to sue GM further. GM is hoping that the majority of those affected by their car's defects will take a quick payment. The aim is for all settlements to be complete by early next year. Feinberg stressed that this was not a fund to seek punitive damages from GM, although his own use of the term cover-up suggested there may be a case to answer in court.
Anybody who already settled their claim with General Motors before they knew about this cover-up or this ignition switch problem may rip up the release they signed and come back into this program.
However, Feinberg later claimed not to have used the term intentionally.
Yet you did in your first remarks, your opening remarks, call this a cover-up. Do you think there is a case for punitive damages then?
I have no idea.
But it is a cover-up, you called it a cover-up.
If I said that, I don't know what I said at that time.
Some within GM failed to act to prevent deaths and injuries even though they knew that the ignition switch was faulty. The bereaved now have a difficult choice.
Each of us is different. Some of us are going to feel a need to litigate, whether it's based on finding the answers, or whether it's about making this so expensive that GM and other auto manufacturers never do this again.
GM insists there was no cover-up, but a pattern of incompetence among a small number of its employees that it will ensure this does not happen again, even though no one has had to answer in court for all those killed. Shihab, Rattansi, Al Jazeera, Washington.